Hi friends, between chart, one-hour chart, one-day chart as a resting bullish candle, balance 18215 $80 total balance. Profit today 479 $80 profit, no loss account is the big win profit. Buy, no commission. Forex sector news. 20 October, 21 October. I am Exness cat. CPI, medium, CPI news. Trading view, chart. Please channel, subscribe, like, comment, share.